I'm Charlton Skirving. I'm from Sheffield, about 30 minutes inland down off the coast in Tasmania. So today is day 2 of the Roundup, and first up, competitors, we got the heifers already and settled and fed and watered, and then it was off to compete for the junior judging comps. We judged steers ready for kill cattle, some heifers for commercial classes, and also stud heifers. And then followed by a lunch break and finished with some sessions from NH Foods about where our food comes from. My favourite part was seeing the meat and different cuts, especially the rump getting cut down, and seeing how much meat and different cuts come from just one small area. Overall, I thought that was quite interesting, something I hadn't seen. We also got to try out some different cuts and eat them while we were watching. In the next couple of days, I'm looking forward to seeing how all the breed classes go and see all the different cattle out there, test my skills out in junior judging, and I'm also keen to see how I go over here in paraders.
Hey guys, Chef Jason Roberts here. Super excited to help celebrate the NH Foods Angus Youth National Roundup and actually getting in and being able to help celebrate the joy of eating. It's been amazing to watch these kids learn everything from processing to cooking to being around the animals. And if there's one thing that really stands out for me, it's how much knowledge I'm about to take away as a 50-year-old male who's been cooking for 30 years about living intuitively and the connection that we hold. I've been able to hang around with kids that really are the next generation of young farmers, what they bring to the table, but to make that connection and to have them understand the importance of their role in the cycle of life, mentorship, but what I serve and what I put out there on the table. It's been incredibly amazing. I'm looking forward to being a big part of their lives in the future and watching them grow and evolve. This is just such an amazing event.